Low T in women is a real thing. Yes, low testosterone. You might be asking yourself, I thought that was a man thing. Well, no, it's both of us. Now, truth be told, a woman has approximately 10 times less testosterone than a man does. Thus, some of the major biological differences between the two genders. But the right balance of testosterone is vitally important. It's a big part of sexual health, libido, cardiovascular health, bone health, metabolic health, and just general well-being. For example, one thing that testosterone affects is sleep. If you're waking up throughout the night, that is a sign you have low testosterone. It's not the only sign, there's many signs. Now, because of the major difference between the amounts that a man should have and a woman should have, administration of TRT is entirely different. With women, I'm a big proponent of creams that are applied daily. Do you want to have a steady mood, or do you want to constantly be dealing with hormonal issues related to your mood? The only surefire way with women to do that is cream. Now, we sell what's called TopiClick, to where you're clicking once or clicking twice, depending on the doctor's recommendations, and you're applying that cream on either inner thighs or on the forearms. A woman's ratio of testosterone is about 10% of a man. I don't like creams for men simply because you cannot get the amount of absorption that a man needs to reach that level. Injections, as far as I'm concerned, is the only way a man should do it. Women need to use creams. This done really is a life-changing thing. My wife, she's only 39 years old. Turns out she had mildly low testosterone. And my wife is a very happy, special person. She said to me 1 month later, I feel happier than I can ever remember. It's that big of a deal. Of course, it's gonna help you in the gym, it's gonna help you sleep, it's gonna help libido, sex life. Get it checked out, it's very important. As well as your other hormone panels, your estrogen, your progesterone. Progesterone, for example, helps put you to sleep, and testosterone keeps you asleep. Isn't that interesting? Super important. This is what we do. We have the science. Getting old is a decision. Get checked out. As always, guys, like, subscribe, share, hit the notifications so that when we put out content just to help, you can receive it. Thank you.